The Czech town of Valasske Mezirici is nestled in the beautiful hills and slopes of Wallachia. The company VALMON, specializing in the production of all types of hoses made from PVC, was established more than 20 years ago and is nowadays the biggest manufacturer of quality hoses in the Czech Republic. A wide range of types and dimensions ensures that both professionals and laymen will find what they're looking for. Of course, the company has cared a lot about the quality of its hoses from the very beginning, which is why the name VALMON is well known, not only in the Czech Republic, but in other European countries as well. The hoses themselves are called VALMONs and are a guarantee of quality material with great characteristics and a long lifespan. The great advantage of VALMON's manufacturing technology is that the mixtures are made from primary material. This puts VALMON ahead of the competition, as it can respond very quickly to the specifications of customers with regards to diameter and color. Production can be started immediately after the placement of the order. These hoses consist of 3 layers: inner tube, high-strength yarn braid, and outer coat. Excellent technological workflow and the compactness of all 3 layers ensures high quality and compliance with the standards of pressure characteristics and stability of shape. The company produces hoses with different diameters, from the smallest with an internal diameter of 4 mm to the biggest with an internal diameter of 50 mm in various types and colors. Production is not limited to garden hoses. The company produces and supplies hoses for industrial applications and suction hoses for pumps and compressors. Moreover, it produces special hoses for fishermen and winemakers, hoses for hydro-massage baths and jacuzzis, hoses for the mining industry, gas hoses for welding, hoses for water levels, and for other technical purposes. It also produces single-layer hoses without braiding that are used for water and liquid distribution or as protective covers of wiring and telecommunication cables. Wastewater hoses and supply hoses for washing machines, including reinforced end pieces of different types and lengths, reflecting the needs of the customer. We also produce hoses for drinks dispensers. In fact, we are the only company in the Czech Republic and Slovakia that produces certified hoses for drinking water that comply with current EU standards. To prevent punctures and ensure heat stability in the extreme industrial conditions, we braid the hoses with wire that serves as a reinforcement and thermal protection of the hoses. Moreover, the company is proud that it is an exclusive producer of a brand new type of hose called Top Elastic, which innovates and improves the characteristics of the hose thanks to the new and original formula based on the company's own research and development. So it can be used in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius and is resistant to bending and twisting due to its exceptional elasticity and flexibility, which is useful especially in the agricultural and construction industries. Moreover, Top Elastic hose complies with the requirements for the transport of drinking water. Just for illustration, we present some options for the use of VALMON hoses, which can be divided into several sections. There's a hobby section, such as gardening, where the manufacturer recommends several types, such as transparent green and non-transparent green or any other color, where the non-transparent layer stops the sunshine from getting in and thus prevents the growth of algae. The most common diameters are 1/2 inch and 3 inches, and these hoses are used mainly for irrigation, either with hand sprayers or rotary or tilting sprinklers. The hoses can be used even when you relax for example when you connect them to an outdoor shower or when you wash the car. The professional section for small farmers and fruit growers provides mostly industrial hoses with diameters of 1 inch and 5/4 of an inch that can be connected to the big metal sprinklers. They are also used to irrigate football fields and tennis courts. As far as pumps are concerned, we provide hoses with a diameter of 5/8 of an inch, but the most common industrial hoses have diameters of 1 inch and 5/4 of an inch. We also provide suction hoses and flat hoses that offer great advantage as far as storage is concerned. There are many more areas where our hoses can be used, especially concerning the transport of water and air. The manufacturer also supplies sprinklers, hose connectors, and irrigation systems. All the hoses up to a diameter of 1 inch are packaged in extensible wraps that prevent damage and dirtying during transport and distribution. The package includes a well-arranged colored circle with the logo and the description that clearly states the type, dimensions, and length of the hose. The manufacturer is able to adjust the lengths of hoses in individual packages according to the requirements of the customer, if it is technologically possible. The company is very flexible as far as the elaborate logistics and distribution are concerned. The majority of our goods are shipped and delivered by external carriers, so delivery time is a bit longer, but the company also owns its own vans, and if the customer needs the goods quickly, delivery terms can be shortened to an absolute minimum. VALMON is undoubtedly the leader of the hose market in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, and it also exports to some countries in the EU such as Hungary and Germany, and also to Russia and Ukraine. VALMON has always cared a lot about the high quality of its products and about customer satisfaction. It has its own visions of the future, and it doesn't want to stagnate, so it's developing tubes made from noble plastics such as polyurethane, polyethylene, polyamide, and silicone. We will therefore remain an irreplaceable manufacturer on the hose market.